The add-on that I decided to use for the Google Sheets assignment is called Flubaroo. It grades submissions put into Google Sheets, so it's great for teaching. Here is a sample of a test, just test answers that I found as a test for Flubaroo. So in reality, I'd be making my own test, but here's some sample information. So all I have to do, so I name the tab Student Submissions. It needs to be called Student Submissions or the add-on won't be able to work. So I name it Student Submissions and then I open Flubaroo. And then, so I already graded a test. So I'll hit grade assignment. And it's working. Okay, so step 1, I get to pick how each of the questions is graded. So there's 4 questions on here. The rest are student identification. And I can change the point value. So I'll make this one worth more. This one will be only worth 2. And this one will be worth 10. I can do whatever I want for each question. I can skip. I can grade by hand. There's a lot of flexibility. So then I'll hit continue. And then I'll hit, so I have to select which line is the answer key. And I put the answer key in the first line. So I make sure that one's selected, answer key, and then continue. And now Flubaroo is grading the assignment. It's creating a new sheet to put the grade results into for me. Alrighty. So now I can see the grades. I can see the summaries. So total points possible, the average, submissions, and low scoring questions. It looks like because one person got 0, a couple people only got 2. So I can see the total points each person over here got. I can see the percent they got, and then they submitted it once. So it's a really convenient way to enter things in. I can kind of see what was missed and everything. So if I ever want to just enter test scores, if it's something shorter, or if I want them to do it in Google Sheets, this is a way to do it. Not 100% sure how this works with FERPA, but this is my add-on I discovered for Google Sheets.